Let's talk about all-in-ones for a second. I am on record as having a lot of hate in my heart for all-in-ones. And, it's not because I dislike the concept. I totally understand the attractiveness of being able to go to one place and do all your things. The reality is, if you have a successful business, especially if you're doing over a half a million or a million a year, you're just not going to have all your stuff in one place. What you need to do is shift your mindset into getting your data all into one place where you can look at it. If you master the skill, or if you have your team master the skill of moving data from where it is to where you need it to be, then you will not get locked in and so just obsessed with keeping all of your tools and all of your functionality in one place, because you'll be able to have your data. And the other thing this does is it keeps you from getting trapped into one tool because it's easier to move.